Hi, Vanessa here, a project manager mama working from home. Today, let's talk about fostering stronger bonds with our kids. It's all about those special moments we create every day. First up is playtime. Dedicate time each day to play with your children, whether it's a board game, outdoor activities, or their favorite toys. These moments are crucial for building strong relationships. Next is bedtime routines. Being home means you can be part of these moments more consistently. Reading stories, tucking them in, and talking about their day helps create a sense of security and deepens your connections. Lastly, support their interests. Show genuine interest in their hobbies and passions, whether it's attending their soccer practice, helping with a science project, or just listening to them talk about their favorite book. Your involvement matters. Remember, it's the little things that make a big difference. So let's make time for play, cherish bedtime routines, and support our kids' interests. Here's to stronger family bonds. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and follow for more tips on working from home. Bye!